Prairie Point remodel, we got new interactive displays in all of our classrooms and including our pods. The displays are interactive just like the smart boards were, but easier for kids to access and manipulate things on the screen, and also very adjustable to provide access for kids who need the board lower or higher.
Our class is doing benchmark phonics. The games on like World Word Builder, we get to build the word if we raise our hand.
If I don't hear it, then I don't know what is the word. But if I hear it, then I know, because I heard where, and then I went up there and spelled where.
It definitely enhances and it provides more engagement for our kids to engage with what they're learning.
It helps me get to know math better. The board helps me because I get to see it and write it.
The new interactive displays allow for 2 students or more to touch and interact at the same time. So you will see them drawing and writing together and moving things at the same time. So that is a kind of a new feature that we didn't have with the smart board.
Sometimes I would get confused on adding hundreds, 1 and 10s. That was really, really hard for me. Miss Dwyer would help me use the board to learn that.
When we do it together, we can help each other.